dude, let's board the ship. Cruise dude, let's start our trip. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Let's go, cruise dude.
Carnival Cruise Line just dropped some big, and I mean big, plans for the next 5 years, calling it their innovation itinerary. Think of it like the cruise world's version of a glow up. More ships, cooler destinations, and a lot more fun. At a recent event on the Carnival celebration in Miami, Carnival's president Christine Duffy laid it all out. What's coming, where they're going, and how they plan to keep being America's favorite floating vacation. Let's break it down. First, the innovation itinerary plan, aka Carnival's 5-year cruise Glow Up. Carnival's roadmap is based on 3 pillars: sailing the most fun fleet at sea, creating unforgettable experiences and destinations whilst growing their loyal fan base, and keeping the party coming back for more. Next, Duffy talked about the new ships coming soon. All aboard the fun train. Carnival is adding some serious firepower to their fleet, starting with Carnival Festivale, the 4th ship in their XL class. Is set sail in spring 2027 from Port Canaveral, and it's bringing the vibes. This isn't just another ship, it's more like a floating city of fun with brand new music-themed zones, one inspired by making music, the other by outdoor concerts. 1,000 interconnecting rooms, perfect for families or your entire extended group chat. A brand new baby and toddler program called Carnival Turtles, because even the tiniest cruisers need a vacation, right? And say goodbye to the roller coaster, Bolt. Festival is introducing Sensation Point, a 3-deck water park extravaganza with 6 water slides, splash pads, dry play zones, and even nighttime water park parties with a DJ. Because nothing says vacation like water sliding under the stars. Also, don't worry foodies. Emerald Lagasse is cooking up new dining options, though Guy's Burger Joint and Big Chicken are still holding strong. And then in 2028, here comes Carnival Tropical, ship number 5 in the XL lineup. It'll include many of Festivale's new features, plus some extra surprises that are still under wraps. Enter Project Ace, Carnival's gigantic leap into the future. Hold on to your sun hats because Carnival is going supersized. Their new ship platform, Project Ace, will introduce the biggest ships Carnival has ever built, 230,000 gross tons each. Yes, that's basically like sailing the Empire State Building sideways. They're being built by Fincantieri and are set to arrive in 2029, 2031, and 2033. Here's why they're a big deal. Each ship will carry almost 8,000 guests at full capacity. Holy cow, that's more people than most small towns. If you lose someone on board, it might actually take a search party and a GPS tracker. Over 3,000 guest rooms with more dining, entertainment, and outer deck features than ever before. These floating mega resorts are designed to be experiences unto themselves. Basically, you can never get off and still have the vacation of your life. The designs are still being finalized, but Carnival promises next level dining, entertainment, and reimagined outdoor spaces that'll blow our flip-flops off. Next up, the deployment shuffle, which means more ships in more places. When Festival launches from Port Canaveral in 2027, the Mardi Gras will shift gears and start doing shorter cruises. Perfect for people who want all the cruise fun without needing to take a week off work, or from binging their favorite show. Carnival is also returning to Mobile, Alabama for year-round cruises and considering moving a larger ship to Baltimore to accommodate more guests. And yes, they're staying committed to secondary markets where folks can drive just a few hours to hop aboard. That's good news for 50% of Americans who live within 5 hours of a Carnival port. The fun doesn't stop there. There are also new upgrades coming to existing ships. Even the older ships are getting some love. Carnival will be rolling out new decor, better food and drinks, and upgraded entertainment based on the innovations from the new ships. You can't have amazing cruises without amazing stops. Carnival's turning their private destinations into a curated group called the Paradise Collection. Celebration Key is opening in July 2025. It's already a hit with over 1,400 itineraries booked. It's designed to be the ultimate day in paradise. Relax Away at Half Moon Cay is opening in 2026. expanding to support bigger ships like Festivali and Project Ace while still keeping that untouched island charm. Island Tropicali, formerly Mahogany Bay Roatan, is getting a makeover with a swim-up bar, beach club, new pool, and an expanded beach. Lastly, Carnival is doing a loyalty program overhaul, more perks for superfans. Carnival's loyalty program is getting revamped for 2026. They haven't dropped all the details yet, but the goal is to give more value and engagement to their many repeat cruisers. Exciting stuff. Christine Duffy said it best. Carnival is all about bringing the fun, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Between massive ships, tricked-out destinations, and an even stronger loyalty program, it looks like the next 5 years are going to be a wild ride. And hey, if these Project Ace ships get any bigger, Carnival might just need to start calling them fun cities instead of fun ships. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe so your favorite cruise dude can keep the wave of content flowing your way. Until next time, bon voyage.
Cruise dude, let's ride the tide. Sun and sea, adventure worldwide. Join the fun, come take a trip. Like and subscribe, don't miss the ship. Cruise dude, your adventure starts now. Cruise dude, come I'll show you how. Cruise dude, let's board the ship. Cruise dude, let's start our trip. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, cruise dude, let's go, cruise dude. Cruise dude, let's go, cruise dude. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, hey, Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, ay, cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, ay,